Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team, out here again on our project in Kansas City. We are roughly a little over halfway done with all of the King Pier 1 installations that we're doing here. We have 3 that we've already done on this back wall. Got everything raised roughly right around an inch and a half. You can tell with the, those are all half-inch thick steel shims that we have between the underside of the pier and that load-bearing steel plate. That's how much of a gap we had to get those shims fitted into after raising our piers. And what we did on Saturday, we did our first pour of high-strength concrete. This is 3 feet of 100% cement reinforced with fiber mesh. Once that's cured, it brought us just enough to get our pier and plate and everything underneath the bottom layer of stone. And then here, just within the last couple hours, we just got everything raised up. We have a couple more we're going to be doing on the outside tomorrow. So we're trying to get the inside mostly finished today. And then tomorrow, as you know from our previous videos, we have 2 piers out of our final 2 out of 10 total going on the front outside corners. So we'll get that done tomorrow, and then we should be able to get our last pour of concrete to encase all 10 of those piers. And then specifically the ones inside here, we're going to pour back this section of the floor that we saw cut out. And then as far as the basement stuff, once that's done, we'll get everything cleaned up on the floor, get all the visible, accessible cracks sealed with polyurethane. As you can see, we've already got about half of the basement walls remortared, so we're going to finish that up. And then once that mortar is dried, we're going to paint it with white Drylock paint. And we're going to do the same to the floor. Once we get all the cracks sealed, we're going to paint that with Drylock as well. We're going to tint that gray, but that's really going to make the a good before and after transformation of the actual interior basement walls. And then other than that, just some minor work on the front porch area. We got a couple wing walls we're going to be raising back up and supporting. Got a brick column that's slightly tilting towards the kind of outward towards the front of the house. We're going to get that pushed back, and then a couple downspouts we're going to get properly buried and routed away from the home just to keep water flowing away from the house. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Most of the hard stuff is done. The pier installation goes fairly quickly now that all the digging's done. So stay tuned for more updates tomorrow. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channel. Just search for King Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, or you can give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.